Hi Shimmer Stars, today we are going to be making Nickelodeon slime from Crazy Art, and let's get to it! Hey Shimmer Stars, guess what? I want to make slime.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down low, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, oh, when we soar away among the clouds. The sky is just a border, but when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down low, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer.
Okay Shimmer Stars, ready to see the reveal of the slime? How's that turned out? Comment down below if you like the slime or not. Thank you for watching me make slime for the first time. Bye bye Shimmer Stars, shine bright, don't forget to drop a like and always do yourself.